Alright, this might or might not be a quick session. I decided to do some programming right before work. I kind of want to just see if I can get these objects working correctly through another window, because I need to reference the window. So window and then this. Our reference, this is a pointer. I don't know why that wouldn't work. Yeah. We have a window. See, that's a pointer to this object. So I need another pointer. I hope I did this. Should be the exact same pointer, and it is. Yeah. So I just do that. So in my game object, as a private, I can say window. Like that. And then I can have a setter function. Void set window. Figures. Okay. Game set window. And then all we do is pass a perimeter, which I should add here. And that's an pointer, or even a reference. No. Would we be passing the pointer itself? Set window. And then we go window equals window. Okay, we know that works. And then we can go. What am I doing? Did I already make the game object? No. Game. New game. New game dot set window. What? Let's have class. Type. Game.h is here. Well, obviously I messed that up because this is supposed to be. But new game's not working. New game. Oh, use a reference. Alright, let's do this. That way everything still works. Syntax error. What? Why is there a syntax error? I'll put it before. And reference the pointer. Take the reference of the string pointer. So I do this, it's not right. Yeah. Something's not right. It's not an actual. This is a pointer, not. These are pointers. There we go. Yeah. And then in game, let's set. See, if I can move that around, that means technically I should be able to do this inside the object. It's constructor. But instead of that, I'm gonna have to use you. that. Which means I wouldn't even need a setter. Yes. Let's get rid of some stuff. Like you. And don't really need you at the moment. Don't need you. I'll have to change that for it to work. Let's see, I can get a getter function. It's a setter function. So I can say render window pointer get window. And then I can return the window. Yeah. So I can initialize the game object. Well, first off, get rid of that. Don't need you. Create the game. Game.initialize. Which creates the game object. And then for stuff like this and this is get, or no, game dot get window. That. Yeah, because it's a function. And then we create a window. Game dot get window. I'm gonna have to do this for every single one. Game dot get window. I don't understand. Why don't I just do this? There. And you can just pass around the pointer object. Yes. Boom. Yeah. That works like a charm and a half. So now I can initialize my game from game. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay. Hardest part stuff. I could even just create a object to create window. Should have just a window manager, but whatever. So we initialize. Okay, so drawing stuff. Clear draw shape display. Okay, before I can even do update and draw, I gotta figure out how I want to do it. I know I have a game state, but and the game state will be based on a switch. Yeah. And then here, I can always get these out of here. I don't think this object has an IO stream. I can include it though. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some game state set to 0. And of course, I'm not using any namespaces, so I have to put in standards. Okay. I should do it after. It's set it to 0 and then creating that. Oh no, that works. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. I really gotta get rid of this C out here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, initialize the window, game state set to 0, creating a SFML window, initializing clock and shape. Okay. Sweet, that's done. So that's the initialized portion of it. I should include the rest of the libraries, but I think I'll do that later. I did find out that this completely works. So I can do my game loop through here and then just return the window. So I can do all the events and such. And that would work. Gonna have to figure out the clock better. I don't really need these at the moment. I don't really need these either. I don't really need much of all this stuff, but this stuff, the clearing and whatnots, is going to be part of the draw step. It's going to clear it and then draw the stuff on the screen. Yeah, because you have the draws. Okay. Gonna get old fancy schmancy with it all. Anyway, yeah, this was a short video. I just wanted to make sure that I can get the game object to create the window so that we can work within my own object instead of working within the driver, which I think should always be skeleton small. Yeah, I think the next step here is to begin to transfer everything to the, well, quite a bit of stuff to the game object, and then begin writing actual game code, I guess. Anyway, okay, I guess that is all for now. I will try to work on this more after work. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.